Hi, I'm Erica Studer-Burns, Assistant Dean and Director of the Heavener School of Business. The Heavener experience equips business gators with top skills that employers are looking for. Our program is designed to get you ready for your career. We can't wait to help you craft your success story.
One of the most valuable aspects of the Heavener student experience is the focus on professional growth and development. Students are exposed to areas such as communication skills, business presentation skills, professional writing, and leadership skills. Students are not just told what to do and how to do it, but they actually go experience it, and there's no substitution for experience.
The biggest impact of undergrad for me is seeing the positive change in my personal growth and leadership development. In these past 4 years, I'm able to say that I'm confidently handling situations with poise, and these are the soft skills that employers are looking for when you enter the workforce after graduation.
My favorite aspect of my undergraduate experience has been building close relationships with the people around me. In classes, you'll start to become friends with familiar faces. In organizations, you'll develop bonds with people who share your passions. And in faculty, you'll find mentors who help you clarify and achieve your goals. They also have taught me the importance of intentionality. By finding your values and shaping your actions around them, you build yourself into a person that you can be proud of.
Heavener's wealth of development programs and student organizations really allowed me to find my place in the community and gain leadership experiences that ultimately built the foundation for my professional skills today.
Success means something different to everyone, but in Heavener, regardless of your personal definition, you will always be supported.
At the Heavener School of Business, your journey to success is not just imagined, it's crafted.